The world is in motion. Are you too? The industry scores. Are you scoring too? The world thinks limitless. Where do you reach limits? Are your process chains comprehensively digital? You optimize your company, but are you also bridging between development and production? A+B Solutions can look back on a long company history. Already in 1979, the company was founded as A+B Systems and has been taken over and renamed in 2003 by the managing directors Ralf Stetter and Gerhard Strauss. The focus lies on software solutions in the fields of D&C, MDA, MES and PLM for production. As a technology partner of leading manufacturers, A+B Solutions with its 15 employees supports over 400 customers worldwide and provides development, integration, advice, service and support. In a modern surrounding, employees find professional and ergonomic workplaces on the newest technical level. This is the basis for creating unique solutions and increasing transparency and implementing a digital strategy at our customers. Through the intense collaboration with Siemens, nowadays the solutions of A+B Solutions are used worldwide at Siemens customers. With the solution of A+B Solutions, we have digitalized the complete process chain between engineering and production at Frech. Liebherr Components in Kirchdorf relies on the solutions of A+B Solutions. Together we could optimize processes on shop floor level to achieve overall transparency and in the end to increase productivity. Your competent partner for manufacturing digitization.